No,
Oh,
you need to
that's
Just-
so gonna work.
You guys gotta put it in the hole.
Chad, is there like a blow up thing to it?
Yeah,
Maybe
right.
we could deflate some air.
No, because then we have to bring the tent and that back up there.
Oh, wait, don't you have like a thing where it plugs
No,
into?
we won't do
Like
that.
its ass?
Actually, I'd be fine right on the grass in there.
Okay, yeah, you do that. Let's try and get that in there.
Oh my goodness, here it goes.
You won't.
Oh, that's okay.
Your beer.
I'm sure that's gonna happen a lot. It's not a big deal.
Gotta flip the hat up. This is not gonna work.
It's here, hold it tap.
Oh my god. And then,
Oh, someone needs to be up here.
You man the.
Man this top.
You man the middle.
Just hold it up. Ready? We're gonna squeeze it in. Oh!
Oh my god.
you guys. You gotta stop.
My road.
Get over to the side.
I gotta get this corner in.
Oh, dude, this is not happening. Okay, push it in. Push it, Chad.
Oh my goodness, this is too much.
This is horrible. I'm on the bottom. I'm gonna be trapped in here.
You see one hand.
You guys gotta stop, I'm crying. Woo!
Oh, we locked up. We locked up like two dogs.
Talk sweet to it.
Dude, this is nuts. You guys are still going at it. Push this corner. Push.
We're locked.
Push this corner right here. Push. It's the only way it's gonna come in.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, push it or we're not. I can't get out ever. Yeah,
You guys are giving birth to Tyler right now.
there's two.
We're pushing his ass back in.
He's trying to get out.
Get out. This is the time to get out right now. Gotta get out.
You probably can't breathe in there.
Perfect. I think it fits perfect.
Oh yeah, you guys just slide in right there.
I don't know how. This better be made with some.
I am crying.
And then. Okay.
Are you underneath it?
Yeah, because if you let a lot of air out of it, when you guys lay on it, you'll both sink into the middle.
No.
Oh, you can't let air out? This whole time you can let air out? Then I just got buried.
Hello? In the land not noticeable, out of place and not suitable. Son, yo, they stepping to you, and it can happen to you. You know what I'm saying? Son, word of mother, son. It was like a dream. It's like I just woke up. You know what I'm saying? I woke up in like an ill sweat, son.